We will discuss the elimination of unit productions in the simplifications of context-free grammar. The given grammar is S tends to non-terminal symbols A or terminal symbols BB. Next, A tends to non-terminal symbols B or terminal symbols B. Last one, B tends to non-terminal symbols S or terminal symbols A. The given production, if a single non-terminal symbols appear on the right hand side, it is considered a unit production. In these productions, S tends to capital A tends to capital B, B tends to capital S are the unit productions. To find indirect unit productions, a unit productions can also occur indirectly, meaning that a non-terminal can derive another non-terminal through a sequence of unit productions. Here consider the first production S tends to capital A. A is a unit production. Then see the A production A tends to B. There is a cycle B tends to S, S tends to A. Next production A tends to B. B is a unit production. Then there is a cycle B tends to S, S tends to A. Last B tends to S. S is a unit production. Then there is a cycle S tends to A. Here I written the indirect unit productions. We have a cycle among S, A, B, which means we need to replace these unit productions by their right hand side alternatives. We will replace unit productions by substituting their right hand side with actual terminal productions. Take the first production S tends to non-terminal symbols A or terminal symbols BB. Here A is a unit production, then there is a cycle. See the production A tends to B, B tends to S, S tends to A. We remove unit productions and substitute capital A with its terminal productions BA. Here you write BA and leave the production as it is BB. Next A tends to capital B or small b terminal symbols. Here capital B is a unit production. There is a cycle B tends to S, S tends to A. We remove the unit productions and substitute capital B with its terminal productions are A, B, B. A, B, B. Leave the productions B as it is. Last B tends to S or terminal symbols A. In this production, S is a unit production. Then there is a cycle S tends to A. We remove the unit production and substitute capital S with its terminal productions B, B. Here you write B, B. Leave the terminal symbols as it is. So A or B, B. Finally, the resultant grammar is S tends to B, B or A or B. A tends to B or A or B, B. B tends to A or B, B. So how to eliminate unit productions? First identify all unit productions, then find indirect unit productions and replace unit productions by inheriting terminal productions. Rewrite the grammar without unit productions. The final grammar generates the same language as the original one but does not contain unit productions. Let's go through one more problem. Given the grammar S tends to non-terminal symbols AB, A tends to terminal symbols A, B tends to non-terminal symbols C or terminal symbols B. Next, C tends to non-terminal symbols D, D tends to capital E or terminal symbols BC. Finally, E tends to terminal symbols D or non-terminal symbols capital A followed by terminal symbols B. In this grammar, the unit productions are B tends to capital C, C tends to capital D, D tends to capital A. Unit production means if a single non-terminal symbols appear on the right hand side, it is considered a unit production. Consider the production B tends to capital C or B. In this line, capital C is a unit production. Then there is a cycle. C tends to D, D tends to E, E tends to D or A, B. We remove the unit production and substitute capital C with its terminal productions are D or capital A, B or B, C. Then substitute here and leave the production B as it is. Finally, you will get D or A, B, B, C or B. Next, C tends to capital D. There is a cycle D tends to E, E tends to D. We remove the unit production and substitute capital D with its terminal productions are DAB or BC. Then you write C tends to DRAB or BC. And last one, D tends to capital E or BC. In this line, capital E is a unit production. Then see the production E. E tends to D or non-terminal symbols A followed by terminal symbols B. We remove the unit productions and substitute capital E with its terminal productions are D or AB. Leave the production as it is BC. Here D tends to D or AB or BC. The remaining productions does not contain unit production. Therefore, the resultant grammar is S tends to non-terminal symbols AB. A tends to terminal symbols A, then B tends to terminal symbols D or non-terminal symbols A followed by terminal symbols B or BC or B. Next, C tends to D or non-terminal symbols A followed by terminal symbols B or BC. D tends to D or non-terminal symbols A followed by terminal symbols B or BC. And last, E tends to D or non-terminal symbols A followed by terminal symbols B. Here E tends to D or AB. I believe you all have understood the problem. If you have any doubts, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.